Water's lifeblood of the pharmaceutical industry. It is used in everything. It's used for making granulation. It's used for coating and granulation processes. It's used for cleaning. It's used for sterilization.
When you're in the pharma industry, your product quality, your manufacturing methods are not negotiable because the product and the patient is the priority. With the pressures on the industry to reduce costs, there's only certain ways that you can reduce your variable costs, be it your energy, your water, your sustainability type items.
With the advent of better automation, better design, more information, what is the process that we're designing around, and understanding that to make sure that we don't design too much into something when it's not necessary.
When our customers ask us about the newer technologies, I kind of get giddy because it's probably the best kept secret from Salas O'Brien's standpoint. If you can't change your inputs, your raw materials, you can invest in digital automation from a labor standpoint, and you can start to reduce your overall footprint.
Salas O'Brien brings a level of confidence on our designs, on our team, on our experience. We can design pharmaceutical processes. We can design pharmaceutical facilities. We understand the time it takes, the various obstacles that we're going to come against as we design a facility.
Salas O'Brien brings highly skilled experts to the industry with a vast pharma knowledge and everything from cell and gene therapy, biologics, OSD, and aseptic manufacturing. We have the experts in the industry, and we could be your partner of choice.